Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over the question, where is my referral link on Airbnb? Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to refer a family member or friend to Airbnb so that you can get rewarded for recommending their house, service, or experience. Where can you actually go ahead and find your referral link? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click onto Airbnb. Next, on the bottom right-hand corner, you want to click on Profile. Next, from here, you want to go ahead and scroll down, and you want to go ahead and click on Refer a Host. Once you click on Refer a Host, you want to go ahead and click on Get Started. And as you can see, there's different types of hosts that you can refer onto Airbnb. So you can refer someone's home, experience, or service, and you get different types of reward types depending on what you actually refer. So if I click on home, you just click on create referral link, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your referral link for Airbnb. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.